everyone, welcome to today's Java coding tutorial. In this video, we're going to dive into one of the most important data types in Java, strings. Strings are used to represent text like words, sentences, or even just a single character. They are fundamental to programming and are used in many different situations. So let's break down step by step and make sure you understand everything about them. First things first, what exactly is a string? In Java, a string is a sequence of characters and it's actually an object of the string class. So when you're working with text-based data like names, addresses, or even messages, you'll be using strings. Let's start by creating a string in Java. A string is a sequence of characters, so let's see how we can store a string in a variable. Here is an example. I'll be creating a string called greeting, and then I'll store some text inside the quotation marks, and finishing it off with the semicolon. To see the string, I'm printing it using system.out.println. Then you put greeting inside the parentheses. As you can see, the output would be hello Java. Sometimes you need to know how many characters your string has. Java makes this easy with .length parentheses method. This counts the characters. The spaces count as well. Here I will create another string so we can work with. This one will be word equals programming. We would then put system.out.println and then put word.length within the parentheses to view the amount of characters in the string. It'll print out 14 characters. Accessing individual characters. If you ever want to get just one character from a string, you can use .charAt parentheses method. This starts at 0 when counting. For example, we will be using the name Jane. In system.out.println, within the parentheses, we would write name.char at parentheses 0. Since Java uses zero-based index, it will print out the first character. Joining strings. Here we use the plus symbol. This is also called concatenation. This allows you to build sentences or messages that are long. To create this, we will start off by creating two separate strings. First, we will use string first Java, then string second rocks. Then in system.out.println, we will put parentheses first plus sign second. This would give us the output of Java rocks. Converting strings to uppercase or lowercase. Java makes it easy to change the case of the text, changing the looks of it. Here our string will be called phrase, and it will say, coding is fun. In system.out.print, to make it all uppercase, we will put within the parentheses, phrase.to uppercase parentheses. This will print out the outcome as all uppercase. For a lowercase style, we will put system.out.println phrase.to lowercase parentheses. Checking if two strings are equal. When comparing text, never use equal sign. Use .equals parentheses instead. Here we will need to create two separate strings. String A that says hello with an uppercase H and string B with a lowercase h. Then in system.out.println, we would then put A.equals parentheses B. This will come out as false since they don't match up. Extracting parts of a string. You can take a piece of a string using substring parentheses. This gets parts of a string and uses index positions. Here, our substring will be called sentence. Our text will be welcome to Java. In system.out.println, we will put sentence.substring 0 to 7 as an example. This will print out 7. Since the first number is where the string starts and the second number is where it stops. Here is a final run of all the concepts we just learned. In this final example, I'm using multiple string methods together. This shows how strings are used in real programs. Each line performs a different action on the same string, as seen. To learn more about Java strings, you can use the websites down below. These are great for extra practice and learning more about Java strings. And that's it. Strings are everywhere in Java. And once you understand how they work, you can do so much more with your programs, like building games, apps, or even a full website later on. Keep practicing these methods and soon this will all feel super easy. Thank you.